Hi friends, welcome back to Rachel Chidinma Crochet. Today we are going to learn how to crochet female simple sandals. So these are my working materials and tools, red thread and black thread. Then my lighter, my scissors, then my crochet hook size 1, that's it. Then my already prepared sole, I've already taken my measurement, size 38. So I'll be working with 2 red and 2 black. So you start, make your knot. So we are going to work 23 chains. 23 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So continue working till you work 23 chains. You can see it. Then you fix it here. You make a slip stitch. Then on the next stitch, you make a single crochet. Then you turn. So once you turn, you skip the 2 stitches on the sole. Continue working on the 23 chains you made. So you work to the last stitch. There you can see it. So this is the last stitch. So you crochet on the first 2 stitches of the sole. Make sure you take in the rough thread. The first stitch, then on the second stitch, single crochet. Then you turn. So once you turn, skip 1 stitch, crochet on the next. So you work to this point. Crochet on the 2 stitches of the sole. The first stitch. So you can see it's sagging. Just watch it, you can see it. So for me to correct this, you can see it. For me to correct this now, I have to skip 1 stitch here, then crochet on the next. Then you turn. So once you turn, you skip 1 stitch, then crochet on the next. Continue working to this point. So because of the sagging, once you crochet on the first stitch, you skip this, crochet on this. Then continue working with that till you reach this point. Yeah, you can see it. So we have total of 14 rows. 14 rows. So you end on the 14th row, you end it like this. You can see it. Then you make 1 chain. So we are going to create a new design here, like this. We are going to count out 11 stitches from both sides. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then you start on the next stitch. You yarn over, that's it. Then you make one chain. On the same stitch, you make a single crochet on the same stitch. Then on the next stitch, single crochet, which is the second stitch. The third stitch, the fourth stitch. So continue working to work more 10 stitches. So we have total of 14 stitches here. Make one chain, then you turn. So you continue working single crochet. You work to this point. So at the end, you make one chain and turn. So you continue working till you work more 5 rows. That is total of 7 rows. You can see it. 7 rows. Then you make one chain to end. You bring out more thread like you can see here. So we are going to make a chain from here to this point. Make your knot. So you make 15 chains. 15 chains from here. To this point. You can see it. Then you single crochet here. On the next stitch, single crochet. On the next stitch, single crochet. Continue working to this point. So you make another 15 chains to this point. You can see. Then you fix here. You make a slip knit. Then on the next stitch, single crochet. Then you turn, skip the 2 stitches on the sole, then continue working on the 15 chains you made. So you work to this point, continue working to the end of the chains. Then single crochet on the first 2 stitches of the sole. Just watch out. So you work to the end. Single crochet on the first stitch. Then skip 1 stitch, crochet on the next. Then you turn. You skip 1 stitch, crochet on the next. So you continue working with that till you work more 9 rows. 9 rows, you can see it here. So you're going to work the back belt now. Make your knot. So here we are going to count out 5 stitches. Then you start working on the 6th stitch. On the 6th stitch. Then you make 46 chains. 46 chains. You can see it. Then you start working single crochet. You skip the first stitch, crochet on the next. So once you skip the first stitch, we now have 45 chains. So you work on the 45 chains we have. You can see it. So you continue working to this point. That's it. So you single crochet on the first 2 stitches here. Then on the second stitch, single crochet. Then you turn. So once you turn, you skip the 2 stitches. 1, 2. Continue working on the next stitch. So walk to this point. Once you reach here, make 1 chain and turn. Walk back. Once you reach here, make on the 2 stitches here. Then turn. Walk back again. So you walk 5 rows. You can see it. Then you fix your buckle. You can see it. Fix it here. Yeah, so if you love this video, please hit the like button and also share to your friends. You can see it. Wow. Please like, and if you are new here, please subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.